Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. So this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, premium wheels, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.